Continuing with our Theory of Equations playlist, this time we want to solve the equation x to the fourth plus 4x cubed minus 23x squared minus 54x plus 72 equals 0 by first increasing the roots by 1, thereby hoping to get a more tractable equation. So we let y equals x plus 1, and I've written here that the working can be done more easily by repeated division by x plus 1 than you can by substituting y minus 1 for x in the old equation. That would involve quite a lot of tiresome labor. So what I'm going to use here is synthetic polynomial division, or at any rate my version of it. So what I've done is written down the coefficients 1, 4, minus 23, minus 54 and 72, and on the left 1 and minus 1. The first one is the coefficient of the x, and the minus 1 is the 1 but with the sign reversed. That's how this particular kind of division is carried out. Okay, so 1 into 1 goes once. Now we use the multiplier. Minus 1 times 1 is minus 1, added on to 4 is 3. Minus 1 times 3 is minus 3, added on to minus 23 is minus 26. Minus 1 times minus 26 is plus 26, added on to 54 is minus 28. And minus 1 times minus 28 is plus 28, added on to 72 is 100. We now repeat all that. So 1 into 1 goes once. Minus 1 times 1 is minus 1. Added on to 3 is 2. Minus 2 times 1. Minus 1 times 2 is minus 2. Added on to minus 26 is minus 28. Minus 1 times minus 28 is plus 28. Added on to minus 28 is 0. So things are beginning to look hopeful. Starting again, 1 into 1 goes once. Now using the multiplier, 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. Added on to 2 is 1. Minus 1 times 1 is minus 1. Added on to minus 28 is minus 29. Finishes that line. Carrying on. 1 into 1 goes once. Minus 1 times 1 is minus 1. Added on to 1 is 0. And then last of all, 1 into 1 just goes once. So we've now obtained a new equation, which is y to the fourth minus 29y squared plus 100 equals 0, which factorizes quite easily. So minus y squared minus 4 times y squared minus 25 equals 0. And so y squared is 4, which gives us y equal to minus 2 and 2. And the other bit, y squared, is 25. So it gives us y equals minus 5 and plus 5. So the y roots in order of size are minus 5, minus 2, 2, and 5. The x's are 1 less than that, so that would be minus 6, minus 3, 1, and 4. That completes our quest for roots. So, thank you very much for listening.